How to fix Google Play Store not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Store not working. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, simply tap on manage apps, and once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Google Play Store. And here from the result, simply tap on Google Play Store, and once you are in the app settings, simply tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu, simply tap on clear cache. And once you're done with that, simply again tap on clear all data and confirm it by tapping on OK. And after that, you can simply exit the settings and open the Google Play Store again. And here, once you are inside the Google Play Store, simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on settings. Now here, once you are inside the settings, simply tap on About and look for the Play Store version. And if an update is available, just tap on Update and then follow the prompts to install it. And with that, lastly, go back to the main settings and here tap on About Phone option and check if the update is available. And if the update is available, you can just install it, and this will help to resolve the Play Store issues. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.